welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my first item in my holiday gift giving guide, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. I specifically wore no makeup for this video, and that's because this is a skincare related item and I wanted to show you guys the results. The proof is in the pudding. My skin looks flawless, it looks great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in and tell you guys the 411. So the products I've been using is this YELLE 5-step skincare treatment, and this is their Awakening Hydration 5-step treatment, and it comes with the cleanser, the toner, a moisturizer, a serum, and an eye cream. And it retails for $129, and I know that might seem a little pricey, but once you break it down and divide it between 5 items, it retails for around $30. That's really comparable to the skincare products that you'll find in Sephora, and honestly you guys, this collection is worth the hype. So I wanted to go ahead and briefly break down some pros and cons to you guys about these products that I've noticed over the past 7-8 months that I have been using the system. Now when I first started using the system, I noticed an immediate result. I noticed a difference. My skin was extremely brighter, my skin felt smoother, and overall my skin just looked better, and that's what this system does. So this is their Brightening Awakening system. As you guys can see, the bag that mine is stored in, you do have to purchase that on its own. It does not come with the 5-step system. The packaging is actually plastic. It's not glass, which on the website it shows that they're glass, but unfortunately they're not glass. And that can be a pro or it could be a con. For some people who travel a lot, this will be very durable, but for someone who wants to keep this on their vanity or in their bathroom for display, it does look a little tacky for the price point. So that's something I did want to mention to you guys. Another thing I wanted to share with you guys is this 5-step system is good for all skin types. Now I have dry combination skin. I get a lot of flakes around my mouth, and over the past 6 to 7 months, I've noticed while using the skincare system every day, for the most part, my skin has been really hydrated. I don't have as much dry flakes around my mouth, which is where I struggle the most. Now, another thing I wanted to share with you guys about this system that I really have like a bone to pick with it is it doesn't tell you the order that you're supposed to use the products in. You really have to read the directions and familiarize yourself with the order that you're supposed to use the products in. So if you're gonna pick this up to give this to someone, or if you wanna pick this up for yourself, you wanna make sure that you start off with the milk and honey cleanser. So this is the first step. And this is formulated to balance your pH levels, and it's made with coconut milk, which I find really good because this is 100% plant-based formulation throughout this whole system. So after you cleanse your face, you want to follow up with a toner, and the toner helps restore elasticity, which is something we're always looking for. And I noticed when I first started to use this toner, I could immediately see a difference. And before I started using this toner from this 5-step system, I wasn't really toning my skin as often as I do now with this system, and I can tell there is a big difference. So after you go in with the toner, you next want to follow up with the YELLE Awakening Brightening Serum. And now this product is a dream. I love the fact that it's in a glass container, which I absolutely appreciate that. I wish all the other products were in glass containers. But what I really like about this is it's so lightweight, it doesn't leave my skin feeling sticky, and overall it feels really good on the skin. Plus, this is concentrated with vitamin C, so it's really gonna help give your skin that beautiful glow that we're all looking for. Once you go in with the serum, you wanna follow up with their moisturizer, and this is what the moisturizer looks like. And it's a rich formula that I really like. It doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy, and you can use this every day without running out, because I'm gonna show you guys, I've used this for about 6 to 7 months, and you guys can see how much product I have left. So for the price point, you do get a lot of product. It lasts at least 6 months. So after you're done with the moisturizer, you could stop there, but they do include the eye cream, and this is supposed to brighten your under eyes, and it helps improve the elasticity around the eye, and a little goes a long way with this. And as you guys know, under eye creams or eye creams in general typically last longer than any of your other products, and you guys can see I still have a lot left, and that's because I use the smallest amount. And I'll typically do this in the morning. Sometimes I'll do it twice a day, this whole system, and I've noticed my skin has looked so much better. It looks brighter, and I get a lot of compliments in my videos, and people are always asking me, what are you using on your skin? What's your regimen, your routine? And honestly, you guys, I've been waiting out to share this with you all, because when you're trying skincare systems, you want to make sure they actually work, and you want to give yourself at least 6 months to try them out to see how your skin reacts to it. And I must say, I tried this out in the springtime, and I've been using it in the spring, the summer, the fall, and now here the winter. So I think this will be a great gift to give someone who's struggling with their skin, or for someone who just wants to brighten up their skin in general. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave all the information down in the description box, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.